Hey Scoopbuddy fam! Remote work has become a game changer for businesses around the world, especially for business owners looking to maximize productivity and reduce costs. In today's video, we're diving into the key benefits of remote work and how it can transform your business. Let's jump in. 1. Cost savings. One of the biggest advantages of remote work for business owners is the significant cost savings. By allowing employees to work from home, businesses can reduce expenses related to office space, utilities, and equipment. Not having to rent a large office or maintain an expensive workspace means you can redirect funds towards other important aspects of your business, like marketing, product development, or employee benefits. 2. Access to a global talent pool. Remote work breaks down geographical barriers, giving business owners access to a global talent pool. You're no longer limited to hiring within your city or country. You can find the best talent from around the world. This expanded hiring potential can help you find skilled professionals who bring unique perspectives and expertise to your company, enhancing creativity and innovation. 3. Increased employee productivity. Studies have shown that remote work can boost employee productivity. With fewer distractions from colleagues, a quieter work environment, and the flexibility to work during peak productivity hours, employees are often more focused and efficient. Business owners can benefit from a highly motivated workforce, which leads to better results and improved business performance. 4. Better employee retention. Offering remote work options can also improve employee satisfaction and retention. Employees who have the flexibility to work from anywhere often experience better work-life balance, leading to increased job satisfaction. By providing this option, business owners can retain top talent and reduce turnover rates, which saves on hiring and training costs. 5. Business continuity and flexibility. Remote work allows businesses to continue operations even during unexpected events, such as natural disasters, health crises, or other disruptions. Business owners can ensure that their teams remain productive, regardless of external circumstances. This adaptability provides a level of security and business continuity that traditional office-based work may not offer. 6. Environmental benefits. Remote work also contributes to a greener environment by reducing the need for commuting. With fewer employees traveling to an office, there is a significant reduction in carbon emissions, which can help businesses meet sustainability goals. Business owners who prioritize environmental responsibility can use remote work as a strategy to reduce their carbon footprint and promote eco-friendly practices. 7. Scalability. Remote work allows business owners to easily scale their operations without the limitations of physical office space. As your business grows, you can hire more employees without worrying about expanding your office or relocating. This flexibility makes it easier to adapt to changing market demands and manage growth efficiently while keeping overhead costs low. 8. Improved work-life balance for business owners. Remote work doesn't just benefit employees. Business owners can also enjoy a better work-life balance. Without the need for daily commuting or spending long hours at the office, business owners can manage their schedules more effectively, allowing for more time with family or personal pursuits. This flexibility can lead to reduced stress and burnout, enabling business owners to stay energized and focused on growing their company. Remote work offers a range of benefits for business owners, from cost savings and access to global talent to better employee retention and environmental impact. While it may not be the perfect solution for every business, embracing remote work can certainly provide a competitive edge in today's fast-changing world. If you